After logging in, you will find multiple file paths in your home directory. These paths need to be combined and extracted to reveal the flag. Okay, let's SSH into the terminal. So I might have. Okay. So we're going to move this combined file to flag.zip, and then we're going to unzip this. Well, we have an instructions.txt file. So maybe we should read this. So I just press Control C to go exit that. Super secret is the password. Nice. Okay, so now we know what to do. Boom. We just got it. Let's go. Whoa, we have 6 seconds. Oh, nice. We had 3 seconds left. Okay, so I've created some notes for this challenge that we've just done, the piece by piece challenge. So for SSH connection, you use the command SSH user at host, and then the port, and then the port -p rather, and then the port. Syntax SSH secure shell at, and then the specific port. Linux permissions, you do list-la to list all the potential files in there. Format is first character. So for this, the read write permissions, etc., which we covered earlier, but the first character, a dash is a file or D is a directory, and then there's 9 character sets, sets of 3 for users, group, and others. So the first one is for users. So in the example, you have read write privileges for the user. You have read privileges for the group and read privileges for other. If it's completely dashes, then there's no privileges whatsoever. Combining and identifying files. So to combine, you do cat part underscore asterisk combine underscore file. Wildcard ensures alphabetical order. So in the example, so what we did cat part underscore a, and then the asterisk. So part is the name of that file, but the asterisk is everything else in alphabetical order after that. And then identity file combine underscore file checks magic bytes to determine true file type. E.g., it was a zip archive in our example. And then handling archives, you have to rename it. So you move the source target, e.g., we moved combined underscore file to flag.zip. And then you extract it, you have to unzip filename.zip or tar-xvf filename tar.gz if it's a tar file. And if prompted for a password, you have to check the instructions.txt or environment variables. Cool. So that was that challenge done. Old sessions. Okay. Proper session timeout controls are critical for securing user accounts. If a user logs in on a public or shared computer but doesn't explicitly log out, and session expiration dates are misconfigured, the session may remain active indefinitely. This then allows an attacker using the same browser later to access the user's account without needing credentials, exploiting the fact that sessions never expire and remain authenticated. Your friend tells you to check out a new social media platform he built a few years ago. Although it's still under development, he said the site is almost complete. He also mentioned that he hates constantly logging into sites, and so he has made his page that once you log in, you never have to log out again. Browse here and find the flag. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To right click anywhere on the page and click Inspect. Go to the browser's developer tools. You then go to the Application tab. So it's the Application tab in Chrome/Edge or the Storage tab in Firefox. Also, Mary Jones says, hey, I found a strange page at Sessions. Nice, thanks for the hint. Then you need to delete this Sessions. Nice. Probably my favorite one so far. That was good. Have the notes for the session hijacking challenge. Measure leakage. Always check comments or hidden pages like /sessions found in the challenge. They often leak sensitive session data. Flag captured. Successfully manipulated the session cookie to log in as admin and reveal the flag. Cool. Cool. Thank you very much.